感觉
是来跳舞的。
好Inverter来。真的，你应该跑一下。有什么毛病
？XS 吗？
Good day, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. This is Helium from Domestic Heat Pump Hardware Heater, also the host for this event. Now, the coronavirus still widespreading throughout the world. Keep safety and also wear masks as possible. We wish you all the best. Now, down to business. We attend the CNR Expo in May, and where our senior engineer Daniel and his team at the surface. Now, meanwhile, here in China, we also attend the CNR Expert in China. So the YouTube live streaming. Today we're going to discuss about the new technology and the new machine about PHNIX. Just like the R290 Union inverter machine, also the remote control. Here are our excellent sales manager. If you have any question, please leave your message and they will follow out your need ASAP. But first, I wanna introduce you a new friends. When it comes to PHNIX, no one knows PHNIX better than him. Guess who? Now let's welcome our Mickey. Hello, Mickey.
Hi, Hebe.
Give me 5.
Yeah.
Glad to have you here, Mickey. Can you tell about yourself?
Of course. My name is Nicky. Hi, everyone. I was born in 2002 when PHNIX was founded. And this is my second time standing on an online show. Nice to see you again, my friend. A little bit nervous but excited.
Nice to meet you too, Nicky. We know that talking about the PHNIX, no one knows better than you. So can you give us a brief introduction about PHNIX?
My pleasure. PHNIX was founded in 2002. It is an international enterprise focusing on innovations in renewable energies and environmental technologies, manufacturing heat pump units for house heating, swimming pool, commercial heat pump, and domestic water heater, and it provides ODM service. Nearly 2 decades past, this company has grown into one leading power in this field, making those new impressive movements like I just mentioned.
Okay, Nicky, I see. So what products that you bring to us? Can you share?
Of course, follow me. After years of development, we made many series of domestic hot water products, and these are our family. I know there are so many machines, so let me bring them to you one by one.
Great.
Okay, let's start from the Airwall series. PHNIX now has vertical ones for those who just need small volumes. It varies from 80 liters to 100 liters with a low price, and it saves a lot of installation space. Hidden, you know why?
Take a hole in the wall, right?
Perfect. And if you like split system, you can always choose the air trims or air block if you want water circulation machine. And for those who just want the heat pump part, PHNIX also provides AirTop series.
I noticed this is not your biggest sales, so where are your leading product?
Oh, you find it. And there are. Starting from the left, Titan, naming after the Greek mythical giant, has the largest volume of 315 liters and the biggest heating capacity of 6 kilowatts, suitable for light commercial needs. And then is the Eco series. It would be a great bargain, good performance with relatively lower price. And then comes to our premier types. These types are PHNIX high-end products that have better outlook and better heating capacity. And then comes to the last one. It's our newly designed unit, the Inverter. Dun 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 dun.
Wow, it looks good. So I'm wondering, could you tell me how it works?
I would love to, but actually I'm not as smart as our engineer. But luckily I brought you a video to illustrate this new machine. And I also invited our knowledgeable expert to come to our show. Let's wait and see.
Let's watch the video.
What is PHNIX water heater? It's in literature that inventors narrate. It's an originality that PHNIX salutes the future. inverter heat pump adapts compressor's frequency. It helps to boost the unit's COP to 4.2. Strong intensity against pressure and bursting. Fine resistance to acid and corrosion. All contribute to a longer service life. The unit adapts full covered silence maintenance design for low noise 42 decibels. It allows flexible installation even in complicated surroundings. It's in your control, wherever you are. What stands by us isn't just a water heater, but the infinite pursuit of excellence.
Welcome back, dear audience. Hope you enjoyed the video. Still, if you have any questions, just feel free to leave a message. And now, Nikki will be missing for a while, and coming up next will be our newest machine. And today, we are so lucky to invite a special guest who is very professional in domestic hot water heater. Now, let's welcome our product expert, Joseph.
Hello, Edie. Hi, everyone here.
Glad to have you here.
Hello. We wish you the very best there in Spain, and here we are in China doing this show for you. Thank you very much. I'm very honored to be here.
So, as we can see from the video, PHNIX have worked out energy saving like the inverter technology, right?
Yes. We can announce that we have worked out a solution for this, and we have worked out an inverter technology.
So, could you tell me more about the inverter technology? Like, what's the difference between the former one?
Sure. I attached two curves in here.
Great.
I'll show you. Don't worry. So let's go. Generally speaking, on and off heat pump here can work at a fixed speed, which means no matter what the water temperature is, the frequency would not change, and then the compressor would always work at the same frequency.
That's to say the inverter doesn't?
No, it doesn't. The inverter technology adapts very smart control logic, which allows the compressor to work with a variable speed and to change its frequency due to the requirement. Like, for example, water. When you are heating water, the higher the temperature is, the harder it is to be heated up. So what does the inverter do? So at the beginning, the inverter will work in the normal speed, but when the water is warm enough, the inverter will switch to a higher frequency to reach a better and the best heating capacity. So with this smart logic, it allows the compressor to achieve a much better heating efficiency.
Thank you for your explanation. And what about its COP?
You like to know the performance like the many customers do. I can say the compressor is very good. It boosts the unit's COP to 4.6, just like this slide has said, which means it allows us to save a lot of energy while getting the hot water we need. Not to mention, it has a very low noise.
Speaking of energy saving, so PHNIX has also worked our solution for more energy saving product.
Yes, this is one of our solution, but the world requires us more. Not to mention the energy saving, it also required us to be more environmentally friendly. So as to reduce the carbon emission of our units, which is really a global concern, you know.
Yeah, the global warming is a worldwide crisis, and plenty of government are pushing for the carbon neutrality, right?
Yes, this is what we are doing right now to corresponding to this strategy. And for customers who may not know about this, let me tell you some background information. In recent years, countries throughout the world are pushing steps in realizing carbon neutrality. China, for instance, stated its goal in 2020's General Assembly at United Nations that to reduce and to achieve the carbon emission to reach its top by the year 2030 and achieve complete carbon neutrality by the year 2060. Others like European Union aims to drop the emission by half by 2030 and achieve the net zero emission around this mid-century. That's why under such circumstance, air conditioning and heat pump industries are taking measures like choosing another refrigerant to meet the needs.
Yes, I can see that it really a challenge for all of us. So what's the PHNIX countermeasure in that situation?
The countermeasure is rather simple, just to change to another refrigerant. So the real question is which one to choose. So through endless efforts of engineers and our many steps in PHNIX, we have worked out a solution and found a new refrigerant that's called R290. Ladies and gentlemen, PHNIX now present to you the new unit, AirExpert R290.
Wow, it looks good and look fascinating.
Yes, and just standing right here. So come join me here. Now you have a closer look at this unit. What do you think of it?
It looks simple at first, but still beautiful, just like the spotlight in this room.
Yes,
Right.
you have very fancy word. But appearances, the display, and a lot of key components are new design.
I can see there's a label attached on this machine. So can you tell me what R290 is?
This refrigerant, this is our new refrigerant. And what is R290? Just like you want to know, and then so many customers would like to know. I attached a PowerPoint slide in here. R290 is the refrigerant code for propane, which means it's a natural refrigerant. And what is the characteristic of the natural refrigerant? The largest attraction when it comes to using the R290 is its effect on the climate. The R290 has a zero ozone depletion potential, while our current refrigerant R134A is a GWP, which is global warming potential, is more than 1,000. Some of our heat pump industries are taking R32 for option for lower GWP, but we PHNIX skip that and went directly to R290, whose GWP is only 3. Besides, not only is it very good, very clean, but it has also a good heating and cooling capacity, low price, and good thermal performance. These factors alone are why the world are pushing for more and more R290 applications.
Thank you, Joseph, explanation. And I can see that the R290 is a promising refrigerant in the future, right?
Yes, indeed.
As you mentioned, the new design, is there something else for this?
Yes, just like I said, the key components are very new. So let me see this. Because we have changed to another refrigerant, but so the compressor pairs with a certain refrigerant, therefore we need to change the compressor as well. So we have a dedicated compressor for this unit. Not only so, we have a DC fan motor to guarantee a better living surrounding, a lower noise, and we're using a microchannel to be the heating exchanger for the condenser to offer a satisfactory COP.
Yeah, thank you. And I see. Just you mentioned the new design about the display. Can you demonstrate it, or I want to see your explanation for this our colorful display.
Sure. I attached several pictures in here. This is our all and previous display, kind of old-fashioned, right?
Right.
So we designed a new one. This is our 5 inches colorful screen.
It's great update.
Not only so, we've gone a little further than that. The top cover is also new. Because it's made of injection molding and it is a split design, so it's very easy to assemble and disassemble. So very convenient for the customers as well for their after-sales services.
It looks exquisite and also the convenient. But I wonder, besides the aerosol, can PHNIX product work with any renewable energy?
Sure. When it comes to renewable energy, what do you think of the first?
Solar power always.
Solar power. So solar power is indeed very wild use in this world, but and we can also cooperate with this solar power, but not exactly what you think at first. You know, this SG ready function, most of our PHNIX products are equipped and let's say it's very qualified for this label. It means that we can cooperate and work with solar PV and smart grid for power generating.
I think customer must want to know more. Could you tell us how it works?
Sure. The SG ready function allows the unit, when you are connecting to solar PV and the local grid, then the unit can use the smart meters to read the signals that power company transmit to your households. Therefore, your units is allowed to take advantage of the low prices when the power generated on the solar PV is excessive, and so you can take advantage of the low electricity price. When the power supply from the PV panel is short, then you can avoid the expensive prices.
That's to say, SG ready means that PHNIX heat pump also can take advantage of the low electricity cost, but also can power by the solar PV, right?
Yes. Not only so, when you are using solar energy, not only for power generating, we can also use it for heating. Like in this case, we offer an inner coil, so you can use another heat source like solar energy. And if you want, you can also use the unit itself, the heat source, for fan coil for floor heating.
So PHNIX product how to use the solar power for heating?
Yes, that's right. Not only so, we have worked with so many things like I said, we have developed so many new technologies. And right here, let me introduce you a new and very good function here. This is our remote control. This is the interface of our self-developed app that's called HiTemp. It can connect to your unit through Wi-Fi module or DTU module. It's an option. And it has very convenient troubleshooting, and you can supervise your unit wherever you are. But to let you know more about this unit and more about this function, I'll let the video do the talking, and I attached another video for you.
Let's watch the video. Welcome back, dear audience. How you like our app we design? And now, thank you, Joseph performance. And I can see Nikki is longing for the back to the stage. Now, let's welcome Nikki again.
Hello everyone. Hi Hibin.
Hi, Nikki. I cannot miss you.
Yeah.
So, Nikki, PHNIX have made a lot of remarkable accomplishment this year. And what's the PHNIX next step?
Okay. PHNIX always sticks to ODM and OEM strategy, and customers are our treasure. To have sustainable cooperation, we keep providing excellent products and service to our customers during the whole product life cycle. Just like our slogan, more for future and more for you. So, in the future, we will work with our customers more closer and continue to optimize our produce and improve our services.
Okay, Nikki. Nikki, you've gone through all this year with PHNIX win his glory one after another. So could you tell me what drives PHNIX forward and the reason?
Of course, PHNIX is a big family I grew up with, and over the past few years, we have been following our principles, which is mission, vision, and values. And now we began the hot water export not only because of the efforts we've paid, but more essentially, we want people to enjoy hot water a lot better, to help our clients with fortune, and to feedback to this society.
That's the three. Thank you, Nikki, and thank you for your perfect performance.
My pleasure.
Today, that's it. It's come to an end. But today we're going to talking about PHNIX new technology and new product. But we still have raw serial product and appearance. If you're interested in our products, just feel free to contact us and our senior engineer Daniel and his team just in there. You also can contact us. We will follow up ASAP. If you like us, just for our new movement. See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.